Welcome to new refrigerator challenge. Here's how to win this. Talk yourselves and you won. Who wants a new refrigerator at all? Me. So it's JP. I like these two new refrigerators because I like this and also I love them. Okay, so put it in your home quick. Huh? How dare you get our new refrigerator? What? I'm sorry. This is not going to be serious right now. I'm going to bring my car. I think this is a desert or something. I'm just going to erase. And that's all. We're going to go home. I'm super mad of you. So I